You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're walking through the updated 2026 International Moving Checklist, your roadmap for a smooth relocation from the United States to anywhere in the world. When you work with SDC International Shipping, every move follows a clear, proven process. Here's what that looks like in 2026. Step 1, plan early. Start at least 90 days before your desired move date. This allows time for documentation, visa preparation, and international packing coordination. Step 2, choose your freight method. Sea freight remains the most cost-effective for full households. Air freight offers speed for smaller or urgent shipments. Many clients now blend the two, shipping essentials by air and the rest by sea. Step 3, prepare documentation. Visa paperwork, proof of residence, passports, valued inventories, and insurance forms. SDC helps you gather, verify, and submit everything correctly. Step 4, schedule professional packing. Our trained movers use international grade materials, itemize your inventory, and prepare every crate for custom clearance. Step 5, monitor your shipment. With real-time tracking and digital updates, you're always going to know where your belongings are and when to expect them. Step 6, arrival and delivery. Our local partners handle custom clearance and coordinate final delivery at your new home, including furniture assembly and unpacking if requested. Moving internationally in 2026 is simpler than ever when you have a clear roadmap and the right guide. At SDC, we turn global moves into predictable, professional journeys. Download your 2026 International Moving Checklist and get your free quote at sdcinternationalshipping.com or give us a call, 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.